Namaste students. Today we are going to start with, or I say continue with the same topic which we did in our previous video. What did we do in the previous video? We did the probability of an event, probability of event A or event B. Then we did probability of not A. Alright, we know that we have calculated the formula to find out probability. We found the other ways to find out probability. Alright, so now I'm going to support that basic concepts with the examples. Now let's read the first example which is written on the board. What is that? One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. If each outcome is equally likely, you remember in the previous videos we did equally likely. Equally likely का क्या मतलब है? Every outcome has equal chances of occurrence. Like if I toss a coin, head आने के जितने chances है उतने ही tail आने के chances हैं. Is it clear? If outcomes are equally likely, he says find the probability that the card will be a diamond. The card will be a diamond. So first part I need to find out the probability of a diamond. The probability of a diamond. And I hope you all know the distribution about the cards. We know that in the cards there are total 52 cards, playing cards. It has two colors, black, red, 26 cards each. Black is divided further into two suits. 13 each. What is that? Spade and club. Red is divided into further two suits. Diamond and heart. This you all have done in class 10th also. Is it clear? Alright, it's divided further into these parts. Now I need to find out the probability of a diamond. How many diamonds I have? I have 13 diamonds. So my favorable outcomes. You know the formula. The formula to find out probability, I won't be writing it time and again because you know it. You have done in class 9, you have done in 10. Now favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. How many are favoring me? There are 13 diamonds and the total outcomes are 52. So it will be 1 by 4. Is it clear? Alright. The second part. This says find the probability not an ace. How many aces do we have? How many aces do we have in playing cards? We have 4 aces. Is it clear? We have 4 aces. So I need to find out the probability of not an ace. There are two ways. Either you subtract the aces from 52 cards and from remaining you pick up one card. Or I'll say 1 minus probability of an ace. 1 minus ace. How many aces? 4. 13. So it will be 12 by 13. So we can apply this formula. 1 minus probability of ace. We have done no? Probability of not happening of an event is 1 minus probability of happening of the event. The third part is a black card. Probability of a black card. How many black cards do I have? I have 26 black cards. I have to pick up one. So 26 favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So 1 by 2. Is it clear? 1 by 2. The next, not a diamond. We have already found the probability of a diamond. It says not a diamond. So what can I do in this? Not a diamond means 1 minus probability of a diamond. 1 minus probability of a diamond. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is the probability of diamond. 1 minus 1 by 4. So it becomes 3 by 4. Alright, it becomes 3 by 4. Similarly, the fifth part. What is the fifth part? Not a black card. Probability of not a black card. What is the probability of not an event? 1 minus happening of that event. I hope you all remember, girls. 1 minus not happening of that event, or you say 1 minus happening of that event. So 1 minus probability, not a black card. Not a black card. So what was the probability of black card? We have already calculated. What is the probability of black card? 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Very easy. Alright, so basics you have already done. So this is how do we find the probability of events. Clear to everyone? The next one. There is a bag which has total 9 discs of same kind. Alright, you can't differentiate, you can't distinguish. There are 9 discs of same kind, out of which 4 are red, 3 are black and 2 are yellow. Alright, so I have to find out the probability of maybe getting a red disc or getting a blue disc or getting a yellow disc. So I can do the question like this also. I can name them as events. A, getting a red disc. B, getting a blue disc. C, getting a yellow disc. Alright, it can be done like this. Now I need to find out the first part. Calculate the probability that it will be a red disc. I need to find out the probability of a red disc. Red disc is represented by which event? A. So I need to find the probability of A. How many are favoring? 4 discs are favoring out of 9. So probability of getting a red disc would be 4 by 9. Is this clear? Second part is getting a yellow disc. That means I need to find out the probability of event C, yellow disc. How many yellow discs I have? 2 out of 9. So 2 out of 9. Clear? The third one, I need to find out the probability of a blue disc. A blue disc. That means I need to find the probability of event B. I need to find out the probability of event B. How many are blue discs? 3 out of 9. So 3 by 9. Alright children? Clear children? Now the next, I need to find the probability of not blue. Not blue. How do we represent not? Blue is represented by B. Not blue means either B dash or B bar. I hope everyone knows. And what is the formula of not happening of an event? Yes? Right. 1 minus happening of that event. What is the probability of a blue? 3 by 9. So 1 minus 3 by 9. So that is coming to be 6 by 9. 3 by 9 can be cancelled. Further 1 by 3. So this is 2 by 3. Is it clear? Alright. Nothing difficult. Very easy. And there's a fifth part. I need to find out the probability of either red or blue. Either red or blue. Either red. Red is represented by A. Or blue. Blue is represented by either red or blue. They have asked either red or blue. Yes. Blue is represented by B. I need to find out the probability of A or B. We know the formula we have done in the previous video. A or B. Probability of A union B. What is that? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. But if they are equally likely outcome as it is written, that means there is nothing common. Probability of A intersection B is 0. A intersection B is a null set. That means the formula would be probability of A plus probability of B. So I have already found the probability of A. What is probability of A? 4 by 9. What is probability of B? That is 1 by 3. It was 3 by 9. So it becomes 7 by 9. Again, in this formula, it comes minus probability of A intersection B also. But these are equally likely outcomes. These are equally likely outcomes. That means there is nothing common. Occurrence of one does not affect the occurrence of other. That means A intersection B is 5. That's why we do not take that here. Understood? I hope the example is very much clear to everyone. Alright, very easy topic it is. See the next one. The next example, very very important. Two students, Anil and Ashima, appeared in an examination. The probability that Anil will qualify the exam is 0.05. Ashima will qualify the exam is 0.10 and both of them will qualify the exam is 0.02. For that, let's see what we have to find. That's a later portion. First of all, we'll assume the events. Alright, I'll assume the events. Let's say E is the event. Anil qualifies the exam. F is the event. Ashima qualifies the exam. Clear? अब जो हमें दे रखा है, let's write everything. What is given to me? Probability that Anil qualifies, that is 0.05. Probability that Ashima qualifies, that is the probability of F is given 0.10. The probability that both of them will qualify. What is both? Both किसके लिए represent होता है? Very important these things. That's why in the previous video I said or, and, both. Both मतलब common property. दोनों ही clear कर रहे हैं. दोनों ही clear करने का मतलब है intersection. Fine. Now what are they asking me? They're asking me to find out the first part. Both Anil and Ashima will not qualify. Will not वाली निकालनी है तो let's इनकी will not वाली अलग से निकाल लेते हैं पहले. Not means 1 minus probability of E, that will be 1 minus 0.05. Alright, not happening of E. That E is not happening. Alright, 1 minus probability of E, we can do it. Then Ashima's also we can find out if we require. Alright, 1 minus 0.90, 0.5. Alright, clear? Now, what do we need to find out? The first part says, I have to find out the probability that both Anil and Ashima will not qualify the examination. First part. Probability, I need to find out both Anil and Ashima will not qualify the exam. That means मुझे किसकी probability find out करनी है? Anil भी नहीं करता, that means E dash, and Ashima भी नहीं करती. This is very important, children. The children, they commit mistake here only. Anil is also not qualifying the exam, that means E dash, and Ashima will, and means, and Ashima will also not qualify the exam. Anil will not qualify the exam as well as Ashima will also not qualify the exam. अब इसका हमारे पास कोई डायरेक्ट फार्मूला नहीं है. Do you remember De Morgan's law? और जब भी ये आएगा dash with intersection, we will always apply De Morgan's law. Remember the first chapter? This was one. I had to apply the first one. Alright. I know that probability of E dash intersection F dash is equals to probability of E union F whole dash. Because A in dash intersection B dash is equals to A union B whole dash. तो इसकी probability किसकी equal हो जाएगी? A union F whole dash. And whole dash मतलब इस event का not happening. अब ये एक event के ऊपर dash है. ये अलग अलग दो events के ऊपर dash था. ये है A union B का not happening. A union B का not happening means 1 minus A union B का happening. Is it clear? 1 minus probability of A union B. Is it clear? 1 minus probability of A union B. I need to find out A union B. How do we find A union B? What is the formula? What is the formula? I'll find A union B separately here. E plus प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ, बिकॉज अब इसमें ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ खाली नहीं है, फाई नहीं है, इसमें कुछ है. सो इट विल बी 0.05 plus 0.10 minus 0.02. Is it clear? 0.03 plus 0.1. So it will be 0.13. 0.13. Probability of E union F is 0.13. So now I subtract from here. Is this clear? Alright children? Fine. So it will be, it is some garbage here. Alright? Fine. So when I say both Anil and Ashima will not qualify the exam, that means neither, इसको ऐसे भी आ सकता है, neither Anil nor Ashima, that means दोनों ही ने नहीं किया. दोनों की एक कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी है, जो कॉमन होता है दैट कम्स इन इंटरसेक्शन, एंड इंडिविजुअल डैशेस वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट इन प्रोबेबिलिटी. सो वी हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अप्लाई डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ व्हिच वी हैव डन इन सेट्स, एंड देन वी विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट. इज इट क्लियर? लेट्स चेक द सेकंड पार्ट. आई होप द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. लेट्स चेक द सेकंड पार्ट. द सेकंड पार्ट सेज, look at the second part. Second part says I need to find out the probability at least one of them will not qualify the examination. At least one of them will not qualify. I told you children earlier also, at least is like at least मतलब बाकी के सारे cases. At least one of them will not qualify. At least one of them not qualify मतलब एक नहीं करेगा, या अनिल ने नहीं किया, आशिमा ने कर लिया, आशिमा ने नहीं किया, अनिल ने नहीं कर लिया, या दोनों ने नहीं कर लिया. Is it clear? कम से कम एक एग्जाम को क्लियर नहीं करता. कम से कम एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं करता इसका मतलब एक भी नहीं कर सकता या दोनों ने नहीं किया. तो एटलीस्ट हमेशा कैसे निकालना है? व्हेनेवर दे से प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम डू नॉट क्वालिफाई. डू नॉट क्वालिफाई. At least one of them do not qualify the examination. It's always better you do it 1 minus probability, both of them qualify. Both of them qualify. इसका मतलब क्या है? देखो, when I say दो बच्चों ने एग्जाम दिया, अनिल qualifies and आशिमा qualify, ये केस हो सकता है. अनिल ने क्वालिफाई किया, आशिमा ने नहीं किया, अनिल ने नहीं किया, आशिमा ने किया, या दोनों ने किया, यही केस है. अब जब उसने उससे पूछा कि एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम विल नॉट क्वालिफाई, इसका मतलब ये तीनों केसेस आएंगे. अब तीनों केसेस बनाने से अच्छा मैंने क्या किया, वन में से ये वाला केस हटा दिया कि दोनों ने क्वालिफाई किया. ये वाला केस हट गया तो क्या आ जाएगा? दैट एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम हैज नॉट क्वालिफाइड. दैट मींस 1 माइनस बोथ ऑफ देम वाला केस कौन सा है? 0.02. Clear? So 0.98, that at least one of them will not qualify. Is it clear? All right. Now the third one, again a different one and very, very important. It is, third part says only one of them will qualify the examination. Probability only one of them will qualify. Only one. अब देखो only one में कौन सा केस है? Only one of them will qualify. ये वाला आ गया ना? Anil qualifies, Ashima does not. Ashima qualifies, Anil does not. इसका मतलब दो केसेस आए. अनिल ने क्वालिफाई किया एंड आशिमा ने नहीं किया. एक नहीं करना है सिर्फ. अनिल ने क्वालिफाई किया एंड आशिमा ने नहीं किया, या फिर क्या आ जाएगा केस? व्हाट विल बी द अनदर वन? और अनिल डज नॉट बट आशिमा क्वालिफाइज. यही होगा. अनिल ने क्वालिफाई किया, आशिमा ने नहीं किया, आशिमा ने क्वालिफाई किया, अनिल ने क्वालिफाई नहीं किया. इज इट क्लियर? सो इट विल बी but not F. अगर मैं ऐसे बोलूं, ये रहा E, ये रहा F, E but not F, E का एरिया जो F में नहीं है, यह है ना, ये हमने ऑलरेडी सब कुछ किया हुआ है, तो ये वाला एरिया कैसे निकलता है? दिस इज E माइनस F ओनली, दिस इज व्हाट E माइनस F, याद है? इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं, एंड अगर आ जाए ये B इंटरसेक्शन A डैश, इसका मतलब B माइनस A, एंड ये कैसे निकलता है? E में से इंटरसेक्शन वाला एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट करके, E में से इंटरसेक्शन वाला एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट करके, दैट मीन्स इसका फार्मूला भी नोट कर लो, इसका फार्मूला विल बिकम E माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ T इंटरसेक्शन F, और ये क्या बन जाएगा? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ F माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E इंटरसेक्शन F, F का एरिया जो E में नहीं है, F का एरिया जो E में नहीं है, इज इट क्लियर? F का एरिया जो E में नहीं है, we have all this, put the values, probability of E we have, probability of E intersection B, probability of F, probability of E intersection B. Is this clear? Clear to everyone? So it comes to 0.11. Very, very important example, girls. Very, very important. All right. Whenever this neither nor comes, the question becomes little tricky there, where you really have to think. Do not jump on the conclusion without thinking. Is it clear? So you have to think what are they asking and how we have to go about. Let's do the example, the next example. It is a committee of 2 persons is selected from 2 men and 2 women. I have 2 men and 2 women. Total 4. Alright. He says a committee of 2 persons is to be selected, and what is the probability the committee will have no man, 1 man, 2 men? That's a separate issue. First of all, 2 persons or 2 members to be selected out of 4. 2 लोग चूज करने हैं 4 में से, कैसे करते हैं चिल्ड्रन? I told you when we are doing probability, permutation, combination is the base. 2 members to be selected out of 4. So 4C2. 2 members selected out of 4 would be 4C2. Even जब हम लोग 1 चूज करते हैं ना, जो पिछले एग्जाम्पल्स भी किए, सपोज अ डायमंड हैज टू बी चोजन, तो डायमंड मतलब 13 कार्ड, तो 13C1 होता है, तो इसलिए हम 13 लिख देते हैं, बिकॉज 13C1 तो 13 ही होता है. सो वेन एवर देयर इज अ 1 चॉइस, वी डोंट यूज दिस कॉम्बिनेशन, बिकॉज वही आंसर आता है. बट अगर एक से ज्यादा चॉइस है, यू विल ऑलवेज यूज कॉम्बिनेशन. इज इट क्लियर? यू विल ऑलवेज यूज कॉम्बिनेशन. अगेन इस वाले में भी आता है 1 डायमंड, जो 13 में से एक कार्ड और टोटल में से एक कार्ड, बिकॉज 13C1 13 ही होता है, 52C1 52 होता है, सो वी डोंट यूज C देयर, but C is used whenever there is a selection. Combination is used. So 2 members to be selected out of 4 is 4C2. This is the total number of ways 2 members can be selected out of 4. Now the first part, this is find the probability no men in the committee. No man. This is total number of ways. Total outcomes. No man. That means 2 members which we have to select, it has to be out of women. 2 members which we have to select, it will be out of women. So how many women I have? 2. उसमें से कितने select करने हैं? 2, because committee has to consist 2 members divided by total, that is 4C2. 2C2 upon 4C2. We know how to open 2C2. What is 2C2? How do we solve 2C2? See, you remember NCR? n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So 2c2, 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, 0 factorial, that is 1. Is this clear? And what is 4c2? 4 into 3 by 2, so that is 2, 1 by 6. There's 1 by 6 ways to select a committee where no man would be a part of it. Second part, the probability, I need to find out. 1 man. The committee should have 1 man. Total are that only 4c2, 2 members to be selected. 1 man. 1 man means, when I say 1 man, but the committee should have 2 members, so it will be 1 man and 1 woman. Because committee के अंदर तो 2 लोग होना कंपल्सरी है ना, 2 लोगों की कमेटी है, तो अगर उसने बोला सिर्फ एक मैन होना चाहिए, that means the other should be women. So our 1 man has to be selected. 1 man has to be selected out of 2, and the second would be women because women are also 2c1. And कमेटी 2 लोगों से बन रही है, उसमें से एक man and 1 woman, and so it is multiplication. What is 2c1? It is 2 only. 2 by 3. Is this clear? The third part is 2 men. The committee should have 2 men. That means both the members should be men. Both the members should be men. How many men I have? 2. Out of that I have to choose 2 divided by 4c2. So that will be 1 by 6. That will be 1 by 6. So children, you have to be just aware, you have to think about the basics. See, questions are easy, but only thing is that when you talk about probability, when you talk about permutation combination, you have to keep every aspect open. You can't be limited to your thought only. कि अच्छा ऐसे हुआ होगा, I'll do this. No, what all are possible conditions, we have to discuss that. And probability is all about the chances. What can happen? Fine. So you have to keep the things open when we are doing the questions of probability. Clear to everyone?